Hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful room partition designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. Room partitions are versatile tools that offers the numerous advantages in both residential and you can use in the commercial space. It has some key benefits, like first one is the space optimization. Room partition help create distinct functional zones within a single space, such as separating a living area from a dining. They allow you change the layout of a room without permanent renovations, so making them an ideal for adaptable living space. So there you can see there are the beautiful designs are available with different designs, size. Another advantages of privacy enhancement. In shared spaces, room partition can provide the privacy for work, study, or personal relaxation. They help to create secluded areas in open concept for homes. And one of the best advantages of room partitions is the aesthetic appeal. Many room partitions comes in a stylish designs, adding to the aesthetic value of the space. Even you can customize with materials, patterns or colors to complement the room decor. Another one is the light management. Semi-transparent or adjustable partitions can filter natural light, reducing glare while maintaining the brightness. They can help create a cozy atmosphere by dimming or fusing the light in specific areas. And it is easy to install. Room partition requires no construction, making them an easy solution for renters or temporary setups. Portable dividers can be repositioned or removed when needed, offering the great flexibility. And it is a cost-effective solution compared to building walls or other structural changes. Room partitions are the budget-friendly alternative for modifying any space. Some room partitions are designed to absorb sound, helping to create quieter environment in the room. Even some partitions come with a built-in shelf or storage, make them a practical additions to the room. Room partition are a stylish, functional and a flexible way to maximize the utility and aesthetics of any space. So when buying room dividers or a partitions, consider the following points to ensure you choose the right one for your space. First one is the purpose. So determine why you need the divider: for privacy, space optimization, aesthetic appeal or a functional separation. Think about whether it will be a permanent fixture or a temporary solution. Second, you measure the size and dimension. So properly measure the area where you want to place the divider to ensure it fits perfectly. Consider the height and the width of the divider in proportions to the room size. So we'll get lots of materials, but wooden partitions are the most popular choice for the room partitions because it is durable and classic, ideal for permanent or semi-permanent use. Another point to remember is the design and style. Choose a style that complements your room decor. Example: modern, traditional. Even consider the patterns, colors, and textures that harmonize with the existing interior. So decide if you need a fixed or movable divider. Look for a lightweight options so that you can easily move from one place to another. So for more privacy, choose materials like wood and choose the installation process. So freestanding dividers are easy to set up and move. Another, always select the good quality material which can durable enough for your intended use. Ensure the material is durable. Choose a divider that is easy to clean and maintain, especially in small children's house. So always set a budget and compare the options within your price range. Keep in mind that high quality materials may cost, but it will last longer. So some dividers offer us additional features like built-in shelves, storage. So if your budget is good, so you can select this to store some decorative items in the shelves. So by keeping these points in mind, you can select a room partition that fits your requirement and enhance your space effectively. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to your channel. And if you like this video, then please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting to our channel. Thank you.